In this class we will discuss about assignment operators. So here in the folder I have created a file name for class assignment, 3 class arithmetical operators. Alright, so here in assignment operator I am coming back here and add a project folder, Javascript source code, 4th class assignment operators. Okay, now I close it. Now I'm going to open a file. Here a JavaScript file added. Here I am opening JavaScript. Okay. So in this class we will talk about assignment operators. For suppose I call a variable a and I assign value 1. This is assignment operator. Okay. And equal is our assignment operator. Work is assign value to the variable name is a. Okay. Now one thing more interesting, if I want to make this short, for suppose I say that a equal a plus 1. So what happen here, if I want to make this thing very easy, so I simply the best say that a equal plus equal a 1. Alright, here you can see I say that same like this, add one value in a variable a. If I want to write this into shorthand, same like this, and this thing has been cut off. Alright, so if I want to call and display the result of it, and in this folder assignment I open an index file here, a result comes of 3. Why it display me as a 3? For suppose I initialize value with 1, it means that one value is stored in a, here is a 1, and I stored 1 into 1, it become a 2 value. Here I stored into 2 one more value, so it become a 3. That is why it displays a 3 here. Alright, for suppose I want to say that minus 1 value, it means that it minus 1 from 2. Okay, and I saved it, and here is our result, minus 1 from 2. Okay, now at this time the value of variable stored as a 2, current value of variable a is 2, and I minused one value from this variable. Okay, this is another assignment operator. If I want to say that multiply 2 by 2, alright, and here is the result as a 4. You see that I multiply 2 by 2. Okay, if I say that divide 2 by 2, divide considered as a forward slash, saved it and come here, it displayed me 1 because I 2 value divided by 2. Alright, multiply, subscription, addition and division value has been completed. Okay, now we have a modulus sign, and you can see we have a modulus sign. For suppose I say that I cut this off and I store a value as a 10 or 15. Okay, 15. and I say that divide into 2. What is our reminder? 1. Module is as reminder of 2, 1. We divide 15 into 2. What is our reminder? Or what value remain as a 1? It considered as a module. So here is a 15. I want to check it out. Modulus of 2. Let's see what is the result of it. Here you can see value comes a 1 because 1 is a reminder. For suppose I said that where reminder become a 3. I want to say that divide 23 into 3. Reminder must be as a 3 or 2. For suppose I want to say that I want to say that divide 25 into 7 people. So I have saved it and comes here, and here you can see reminder become a 4 because when we divide 25 into, for suppose here I had, when I divide 25 into what 1% value become, it is 3.5. It means that 3 uh, value in one people, one people get 3 rupees. If I for suppose we have 25 value and we divide it into 7 people and one people get 3 value. Okay, so what reminder comes is like we use a reminder, and reminder comes as a 4. Alright, and these all are assignments we use for performing our logical task in JavaScript. Okay, how to assign value and what is the short way of assign value. It means that I am saying a equal a modulus 7 like this. Okay, good luck, bye.